So hi, hello everyone. We are back to for a new haircuts with trendiest haircuts and easy. And you can just learn from these haircuts with a lot more layering techniques. And pin to pin point, inch by inch, I'm just holding to the approximately sharp 90-degree haircuts I'm just showing in this video. And point to point and pin to pin you can see in this video too. Small sectioning and holding a distance and the holding techniques and the way we used to cut the hair, all the things you'll be going to see in this video. Stay tuned and watch till the end. You can understand complete videos, and this tutorial we're going to be show up to the how to extremely work to the 90-degree haircuts, and just we are not collapsing to the length, and apart from the length we're working to that 90-degree haircuts. And just completely we just horseshoe box section we completely separated, and just side by side sections, two sides are has to be taken by side. From the back we just started by like one length completely to the same in the top nape area to crown section even tension. So in the back portion there is no separate sections and all, just in the beginning we just take to the one length basic. So this is every haircut I used to tell you guys to one length basic. It will be majorly important for any of haircuts. Just half an inch I'm just going to be trim, and rest of the hair you can just see completely to the straight and even shape. And last videos in that so holding to the 90 degree, just take with the central profile section and just pin to pin wherever is excess hair it will be coming, like the existing layers we're just cutting it out of it. See, you can just completely to the same technique, each and every pinpoint I'm showing you guys in this video. You may can and see overall hair it will be carrying forward to 90 degree itself to the haircut completely to the sharp base, and we just taking to the consistent thin sections and just showing you guys the completely to the how it will be worked to the 90 degree haircut. You can just see pin points up to the techniques we just holding, and same technique we following overall to the vertical sections to the every section. Hope you guys last videos you enjoyed a lot, and this video must be expected with the same thing can be. Please let me know comments below for anything for improvements for our videos, and if you have any demands for the next upcoming videos, please comments below. Will definitely will be bring it out with the exactly demanded haircuts, and please let me know with any of changes we require to do and all in the videos. And just we consistently we just keep effort for educate you guys, and also we come to that every time to the new concept up to the haircuts differently, and synthetic hair dummies, which is can best part with something you can just learn a lot. The when will be basic foundation will be strong, and advanced things it will become automatically. So whenever you'll be start to learn, you can just keep practice with one things at least 10 times in a day. So then you can just improve your skills probably, and it will be like pro haircut techniques. Later you can just do with confidently with any of your clients for before you just messing up to any of haircuts. This is my recommendation and suggestions too with everyone. Even there is lot more students the need for a good confidence. So my suggestion is only one thing, ultimately Do as much as practice, you will be gain good scale up and good scope in that cases, and you will be your skills are ultimately strong. So, and I am the person just every single day I'm just keeping myself to 2 hours for just get to learn new things for a haircuts. So side basis we can just, and you can just see completely how we are old, and just rest of the hair we're just cutting it out. Once you will be seeing something like complete learning techniques and gripping, like gripping techniques and angles and degrees, you can just notice, probably can just carry forward. The small points can be mistaken. You just improve yourself, then haircut will be automatically, it will be comes out well. Trust me, that is the best techniques. The first, improve your small steps, the haircut will be within your hands. So another side we came, and just same one length we just grabbing and just shaping it out, and just start to the layering in that part too. With this time we standing behind the dummy. See the small section access after the hair, we just chopping out of it, and rest of the hair we dropping. But in this case, do you want anything for a questions or anything for a requirements, please let me know comments below, and definitely we will update for you. And just be keeping for a good efforts for a bring in front of you, all of you guys, for a good haircuts. And just finally we came to the crown section, and crown section we can just take with a completely to the 90 degree of crown portions with a exactly we just taking to that central profile with the vertical sections. When we standing aside, we're just connecting with overall the back to front, and just seeing to the layer difference on it. Now you can just see the shortest pinpoint guideline, you can just see, and rest of the hair it will be going to cut it off. So that is the guideline is completely carry forwarding. You have to be see the pin to pin traveling about the small guidelines to be before cut to the hair. That it will be pro haircut techniques. You can just learn something a lot for that. So another side section with same thing, we're just following it up, and rest of the hair we're chopping it out, and just holding help up 90 degrees. The last one side section is will be last section we just took, it will going to finished. See how sharply the guidelines are visible, and rest of the access hair you may can see just before cutting to the hair over there. So we come to another side section, same thing we can just carry it up 90 degree up to holding. The cut is completely finished. You can see the messy layers overall. You can just see a lot more movement on it. Like this video, so we're just doing the messy blow dry, and just we're just showing up to that completely layers out. And this blast blow dry is completely root shooter, which is can completely make layers, it comes out well, and it will be shoot up to the boom technique, which completely to the layers can visible very good and messy looks and something like beachy waves kind of it. And you will be see a lot of changes on the haircut which is can be needed for to the. Hope you all are understand this video and also enjoyed a lot in this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Will we meet up to the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.